it was at this moment that he knew.
He's
He
realized
fucked up.
he's fucked up. Okay, dude.
Woody.
Ballerina Cappuccina. Mi 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 mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino. E ama la musica la 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 la. La sua passione è il ballerino Lololo.
Dear my beloved audiences, today I want to tell you a story which is called A Dog Named Rusty. In a quiet town nestled between hills and rivers, there lived a boy named Liam. He was 10 years old, full of curiosity, and spent most of his time exploring the woods behind his house. Though Liam had loving parents and a few friends at school, he often felt like something was missing, someone to share his adventures with. One rainy afternoon, while walking home from school, Liam heard a soft whimper coming from a cardboard box near a dumpster. Curious, he approached it and found a small, scruffy dog inside. The dog had reddish-brown fur, floppy ears, and big, sad eyes that looked up at him with silent hope. Liam knelt down. "Hey there, buddy," he said softly. The dog wagged his tail slightly, but didn't move much. He looked tired and hungry. Without hesitation, Liam picked up the box and carried it home. His parents were surprised, but after seeing the dog's condition and the way Liam cradled him like a baby, they agreed to take him in, at least until they could find his owner or a shelter. They named him Rusty because of his fur, and quickly, Rusty became a part of the family. Over the next few months, Rusty and Liam became inseparable. Wherever Liam went, Rusty followed, through the woods, by the lake, and even to the corner store. They played fetch, built secret forts, and watched the stars together lying in the grass. Rusty was no ordinary dog. He seemed to understand everything Liam said. When Liam was sad, Rusty would rest his head on the boy's lap and let out a soft sigh. When Liam was excited, Rusty would run in circles, barking with joy. It was as if they shared one heart. But not everything was perfect. One day, while playing near the woods, Liam and Rusty saw a notice pinned to a tree. It was a missing dog poster. The picture looked just like Rusty. Liam's heart dropped as he read the words. "Missing. Our beloved dog, Cooper. Last seen near Pine Hill. Reward if found." Liam didn't want to believe it, but the resemblance was undeniable. That night, he lay awake, Rusty curled up beside him. He whispered, "Are you Cooper? Do you have another family out there?" Rusty just looked at him with those same gentle eyes, and for the first time, Liam didn't feel comforted. He felt torn. He knew what the right thing to do was, but it meant letting go. The next morning, Liam and his parents contacted the number on the poster. A woman answered, and her voice cracked with emotion when they described Rusty. She had been searching for Cooper, her lost dog, for months. A meeting was arranged. Liam held Rusty's leash tightly as they waited at the town park. When the woman arrived, her eyes filled with tears the moment she saw him. "Cooper," she called softly. Rusty looked up. For a moment, he didn't move. Then slowly, he walked toward her and sat by her feet, tail wagging gently. She knelt down and hugged him tightly, crying into his fur. Liam stood quietly, watching. A lump formed in his throat, but he managed a small smile. The woman looked at Liam. "Thank you," she said. "You took such good care of him. I can't tell you what this means to me." Liam nodded, blinking back tears. "He's a great dog," he said simply. That evening, the house felt emptier than ever. Liam sat on the porch, staring at the woods. He knew he'd done the right thing, but that didn't make it any easier. Days passed, then a week, then two. One sunny morning, as Liam was eating breakfast, there was a knock at the door. His mother answered, and he heard surprised voices. He ran to the hallway, and there, standing with a leash in her hand and a warm smile on her face, was the woman. And beside her, tail wagging and eyes bright, was Rusty Cooper. "He wouldn't eat," she said with a laugh. "Wouldn't play. He just sat by the door. I realized he wasn't just my dog anymore. He's yours too. If you want, we could share him." Liam's face lit up like Christmas morning. He ran to hug Rusty, who jumped into his arms with joyful barks. From that day on, Rusty split his time between two homes, one of love and memories, and one of new adventures and best friendship. Liam learned that sometimes love means letting go, but sometimes love finds its way back. And for Rusty, he was exactly where he was meant to be, right between two hearts. If you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. It will really help our channel grow. But if you don't like it, then just skip it and don't forget to check out our other videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.